Do you fly your flag at night? Did you know that flag etiquette requires you to keep your flag illuminated if you do fly it at night? Have you always made an exception to the rule due to high cost of running power to your flagpole light? Are you tired of wasting your money on box store junk? Finally, our LED up-down solar flagpole light is bright enough and long-lasting enough to illuminate our American flags. I'm with Flagpoles, etc., and I'm going to show you all about our LED up-down solar flagpole light and why it's a great choice for your residential or commercial flagpole. This up-down solar light contains important components such as a rechargeable solar-powered battery, 32 light-emitting diodes. Lastly, this product is equipped with 6 strong LED lights facing upward and downward, shining on both your ornament and flag. Other reasons one may have the desire to purchase this light is because it's environmentally friendly while requiring low maintenance. This flagpole light would be a fantastic option for those who like the simplicity of our wire-free, solar-charging, weather-resistant light. Don't forget, our American-made and designed products guarantee high quality at the lowest prices, always beating our competitors' prices by 5%. If you're interested in purchasing our up-down solar flagpole light, give us a call at 888-735-5591 or visit our website at flagpolesetc.com to explore more of our top-of-the-line products.